Kadhi weche mag penj ma jo klas 12 modonjo odiochienge mar ariyo mohewo jopuonjre 800,000 nitie odiochienge mar ariyo matimo penj maduong' mar klas 12. Jotelo mopogore opogore Migao mar somo mane wuok marango yepo mag otese gokinyi ma kawuono oyango ni giikore mar luoro skunde duto maneno ni penjogo time yo makare. Jagoro mong'iyore Migao mar somo Belio Kipsang bende osiemo ji man kod paro mar temo kwalo penjgo mondo bed motang' ahinya. Jata tije duol mochung' ne penj David Njegere owacho ni chenro mar penj ochakore yo makare pacho kama ngima keto gin gigeno ni jopuonjre duto dhi kalo penj.
The process has kicked off pretty well across the country, and the measures that we had proposed, that we have enhanced frisking of the students, especially because of the issue of phones. You have witnessed yourself that the invigilators and supervisors are doing a very good job of ensuring that they are frisking them. So we are vigilant across the country to make sure that we handle the question of phones which are not supposed to be in the examination centers.
We have tried as much as possible to prepare our candidates so that when they sit for this exam, they are prepared. Actually, from what I saw in the morning, there are students who are relaxed, they are prepared for this exam, and it is our prayer that they are going to do very well.
Let's ensure that our children get that which they deserve. Let's not make our children fail to get their results because we have done anything that is not supposed to be done in an examination center. Because if we do anything or anything happens that should not happen in an examination center, you will have destroyed the future of a young person.